A long rectangular conducting loop of width L, mass M and resistance R is placed partly in a perpendicular magnetic field B. So here we are having a rectangular conducting loop whose width is L, mass is M and resistance is R. It is kept partly in what? Transverse magnetic field B. Then if we start moving this loop in a downward direction with velocity V, see, the question is, what velocity should it be pushed downward so that it may continue to fall without any acceleration? With what velocity? It should be moved in a downward direction so that it may continue to fall without any acceleration. So when this loop is moved with velocity V, then we know that across the two ends of conductor EMF induced is given by E is equal to BLV. E is equal to what? BLV. So E is the EMF induced. So current induced I is equal to EMF induced divided by resistance of a rectangular loop, that is equal to BLV divided by R. I is equal to BLV divided by R. Now for conductor to fall without any acceleration, for fall of conductor, for fall of that conducting loop, for fall of conducting loop without acceleration, what is the condition required for fall of conducting loop without acceleration? Condition is force due to gravity, which is actually the weight of loop. It must be equal to force acting on a loop due to magnetic field. Now force due to gravity is nothing but weight of a loop, and what is weight of loop? M is the mass of loop and G is acceleration due to gravity. Then force due to gravity, which is weight, is mg, and that is equal to, what is the force acting on conducting loop due to magnetic field? It is IBL. This is the force acting due to magnetic field. But we know the value of current I is BLV. So it is BLV divided by R multiplied by B into L, multiplied by what? B into L. So this is equal to B square L square V divided by R, B square L square V divided by R. Now from this, what we have to find? Value of V. So V is equal to velocity with which that loop is moved downward, so that loop moves without any acceleration. V is equal to mgr. This R will be taken to this side, so it is mgr divided by B square L square, B square L square, mgr divided by B square L square. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Look at the option B, that is mgr divided by B square L square. So B is the correct option for this question.